It is the 8th time that we have appeared as Grenada in the Biennale de Venezia. So this time, the emphasis is highlighting our National Library in Grenada. The library has been damaged in 2004 from Hurricane Ivan, and it has been closed since 2011. But the library needs to be restored. And even more importantly, the books and the archives and everything that goes with a library needs to be restored to our Grenadian people.
So what we've done is taken the initiative to put together all the research and define what the renovation of the existing library should look like. We've done interviews with many persons throughout Grenada, persons who have worked on the library, for instance, previous directors of the library, scholars. We've done interviews with children to find out what they would like to see out of a library, what they would like a library to be, and what is really missing in Grenadian society by not having a library.
What a library does is it adds to you. It adds to you in terms of connecting you to all times and all places. And of course, it reflects back to a place like Grenada so that we can contribute to the world. Libraries help us to navigate complexity and to recognize patterns which are necessary. And we like to say when we're here in Venice that of course we have a place at the table to have these conversations with some of the world's leading architects and of course people who are interested in humanities.
The library is an important symbol because it's a place of learning, a place of bringing together as a community. As an artist, as a representing also the government of Grenada in this case, to really support this project is really to try to make sure that we could get to the next level. I believe this is one of the best opportunities we have.
So as you'll see, we have nutmegs all over this pavilion. And if you would like to come and visit, we will share one with you.